What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to a brand new video, Stock Talk, where we talk stocks and crypto. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Telcoin. We're going to be picking up on where we left off last time. And one of the things that I wanted to talk about Telcoin was formations that I'm starting to see right now that are, some of them are kind of late. Like this one, for instance, is we didn't see it, but now that I zoomed in at a different time frame, I can see that this is a cup and handle right here, and that target hit perfectly. So let me zoom in a little bit more and you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about. But we can see that this target hit almost perfectly to the T. You guys can see. But since that one already hit, we're not really too worried about it because there's nothing to be made off that as of right now. But one thing that I am noticing right now is this kind of like a bull flag, but not really. It's more like a ascending triangle type stuff or something like that. But even if we take a measure target of this, but at the breakout zone, we're getting at about a 3.5 cent, 0.0036 Telcoin. So how much percent is that from right now? We may be seeing a 21% increase as a short-term move. And one thing to validate this move is that the RSI is actually pretty low. And on top of that, we have a blue cross printing right here, which is a flip in direction, which was this whole entire bearishness got flipped to bullishness, and now we've been going up on a rally. And based off this next formation right here, we may be looking at a 21% move, and that's me being conservative because some people may take the measurement from here to here, and even if I put this one right there, that's taking us to right about the 4 cent mark or the 0.004. So let's take a measurement of that one. We may be looking at a 27% gain, damn near a 30%. So those are two measured moves that we can see coming, and even if I look in the past, we can see that there's some sort of support that was here, but eventually it got broken, and then we did a cascading fall. But if I get a horizontal array and we put it right about which one should we do? This one or this one? I'm gonna just do this. Yeah, look at that. It lines up perfectly to this measure target. So it makes a lot of sense on why we will hit somewhere close to this and then turn back down. And I believe that we will fall all the way back down to, if we take a look right here, uh, let me zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So it was red, and then we shot all the way back up, and then we hit some sort of invisible line here, and then we shot back down. So if I put another horizontal ray right here, let's see how it lines up. So what should be happening on this right side is that we should be going up, and once we get close to this line, and then we get rejected. So I'm gonna make this one red, so we know that we will get rejected right here, like about 85% sure we'll get rejected right here or close to there, and then we'll fall and we'll bounce off this support, depending on how the market is, because there's sometimes there's bullshit stories that just make the market do something else, even though that we have all these formations. But look at that. This right here, the top of this would be our support. So once we break out of this formation right here, once we break out, which is imminent because we're very close to this apex right here, is bound to either break up or down. So in this case, I believe it's going to be it's going to go up rather than down because we have this blue cross, which is showing us bullishness. We have a wide gap between these two, which is showing bullishness again, I guess. And then right here we have the RSI, which is low, which is showing bullishness again. So that's just something I've been looking at on my own time. I'm like, all right, bet. So this is what could be happening. So if I draw it out for you guys, we will probably break out right here and then get very close, and then we'll start to go down right here, or maybe even wick a little bit lower, but we'll eventually break back up type stuff. You know what I'm saying? So something like that. Worst case scenario would be that we hit this one again, so it'll go like here, we're coming down, and then we'll go back up, and then this time we come all the way back down right here to retest this right here, and this formation would be the M pattern probably forming right here. But like I said, I'm hoping that this RSI and this blue cross and this formation alone is the reason why we should be going to about this high, or at least break it right here, get to this first target, and then come down and retrace. But that's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Do everything based off your own diligence. Don't invest what you're willing to lose. And you guys already know the bizzo. So, damn. I'm just gonna clear this up for right now. And I'm just gonna leave the measure targets there for now. All right, so you guys can see what measure targets we have. And let me see if I can learn to duplicate it. How do you duplicate? All right, clone, bet. And in case it doesn't, if we break down, then this is worst case scenario though, which I believe is not gonna happen. Worst case scenario, we will be going back down to about 0.0022, which is another 20% back down, which we don't want to see. All right, so that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video with Telcoin. This is just a short-term move. Long-term, you guys already know my price targets for long-term. We got 27 cents long-term. And if I go onto the day frame, you guys can see why I'm seeing that. And even if we look at this right here, look at that. On previous fib zones, this rejection right here is perfect rejection towards the past fib zone right here. So this is what this fib zone broke us out and we just skyrocketed. So if we can just build consolidation between here, maybe we'll see something similar to this, but right here, and we'll see a similar breakout, but right here, if that makes any sense. So hopefully that's exactly what's happening. Unfortunately, right now I don't own any Telcoin, but I do want to get into Telcoin. As of right now, I'm just sitting back and I'm just watching on what it's doing. Even though I know I should just be throwing in some money in right now, and if it goes down, just throw in more, and if it goes up, then hey, at least I'm in, right? So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys did, go ahead leave a like. And if you guys really mess with what I'm doing, if you guys find me like entertaining, I guess, then go ahead, subscribe, comment down below a coin that you guys would like me to read. I do stocks, I do crypto, I do all that, precious metal, oil, all that, bro. So hit me with that in the comments, and I'll be sure to respond, reply, all that. So once again, it's your boy Leo. I'm out. Peace.